Here I have Garett GT40 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's swipe to the left, find and select the settings icon right here. Let's scroll down, let's choose the international. Tap on language right here, and here we've got all languages that you can use on this device. For example, I'm using right now English, but I can easily change into Polish. Right now everything is in Polish. Let me go back and tap English again, and that's it. Now I'm using the English one. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.